Welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and today I want to talk about a problem that I have, and it has to do with hand sanitizer. Have you ever dripped a little tiny drop of hand sanitizer on your hardwood floor and not even realize it, and then come back the next day and your floor is bleached? I don't know about you, but I don't want to have to refinish my hardwood floors just because I'm trying to stay sanitized. But I have a solution. So it's a solution that I can solve using Dollar Tree items. You got it. I picked them up from the Dollar Tree. If you want to know how I make this happen, let's have some fun.
Here is a spot on my hardwood floor that got bleached out from hand sanitizer. Now, I picked up these furniture scratch markers from the Dollar Tree. I actually picked up 2 different packages just so that I could make sure that I had every color possible. So I'm into this $2 right now. And I took the markers out and I started marking up the floor. Now, I know that this looks darker than my floor, but once you mark it on your floor and then you wipe off 80% of it so that it blends in. And I'm going to show you more about that in just a minute, but let me show you another spot while I'm at it. This one I used a different color of marker and I just kind of colored in the spot. And don't panic because we are going to still work on this. I actually found it was nice to use more than one color, just kind of mix up with 2 different colors of marker, and then it just looks like a scribble spot. This is where the process works. You take a wet paper towel, and now before it's dried, you wipe off the excess. Actually, you just keep on wiping until you can't see where you colored anymore. And I have to say that after a couple of days, I came back. I've mopped the floor since then and everything. I cannot find the exact spot. That's how much it just faded away. Let me show you one more. This is a darker wood, and you can see that hand sanitizer did its number, so I'm going to use the dark walnut color on this one. This particular one was not bought at the Dollar Tree, but it works just as well. It just needs to be stained, and once you've wiped it off and got it the color that you want, it's not a bad idea to put a Ziploc bag and some tape on it to let it really dry out before it gets tracked up. Now you can see in this particular spot, I can still see a slight hint of where the bleach happened. So I'll just put an extra coat on it, do the same process, and maybe you have to do 2 or 3 coats of it before it completely disappears. But the most important part is to wipe it off so that it will be completely hidden. And as you can see from this floor, you can't tell where it is. I did this spot on my floor weeks ago. We've had a lot of company, tracking, mopping, everything, and I cannot find the spot anymore, no matter how hard I try.
Thank you so much. Wasn't that great? This is something that everybody needs to know. If you have hardwood floors in your house, you're going to want to know this trick. So please like, share, subscribe, pass this on. Share it out on Facebook or wherever you may be, because everyone needs to know this solution. See ya.